Hi everyone, and welcome back to Jim Vernon Solutions and the Codecademy Basics series. We're wrapping it up on this one. We actually wrapped up the Codecademy lesson, the Welcome to Codecademy, on the last video, because in fact the final screen, as we'll see, is really just a wrap-up saying congratulations, we finished it. Occasionally you'll see pop-ups here that show you that you've earned a certificate, and it's going to suggest an up next. You can do that, or you can just click on the Codecademy button here. And I'll point out that not everything in Codecademy is free. I'm going to try and do demos on anything I can find that is free. I wanted to do the full stack engineer, but apparently some of that isn't free, so I'll start that and we'll see how far I can get through it. One of the things you can do is you can explore the pricing just by looking at Pro membership, and notice that they have a student membership as well. So if you are a student, you might qualify for a discount. The Pro membership is $20 a month, which is a little more than I want to pay. But this is a nice comparison about what they include. You can just scroll down here. You can see that the free membership gives you the basic courses, but doesn't give you members-only content. It gives you limited mobile practice. I'm using a Chromebook for this, so I don't need to worry about that. Gives you some peer support, does not give you real-world projects, does not give you step-by-step guidance, and doesn't generally give you certificates of completion, although I think there is one for the Welcome to Codecademy. And it doesn't give you team performance or those kinds of things. But if you're doing this as an individual, again, you might want to explore this. You can also, again, you can pay annually, pay monthly. This isn't a promotion for Codecademy, but just things you can learn. I would suggest that you also check out the course catalog, though, and see what might be available and what might not be available. When I go to the Full Stack Engineer, for example, I click on it, it says I can try it for free. So I might start a series with that. I can also go back to the course catalog and see if there's anything else that is actually free. So maybe the rest of the JavaScript, for example, right? If I want to learn JavaScript, yeah, it looks to me like maybe that whole thing is free. I don't know for sure. We learned a tiny bit of JavaScript with the Welcome to Codecademy, but just an example, you can jump around and find things that you want and look for other series in the Jim Vernon Solutions channel. I'll do some of these on Codecademy, and as I mentioned before, I will also do things like business statistics and economics, which I teach at community college, where I'll be the instructor. We won't be using Codecademy for those, just whatever resources I can find that are helpful on the web.